friends, Race AI companions. So this is a new name for the Pangu app. So they just kind of renamed this app. I don't know, maybe for SEO purposes. So this is just the idea. Raise cute and fun AI friends, friend for everything. Take care of Pangu with your best friends. Bow, your self-care friend. And then study, mellow, friend, and then you can just add them. So there is a new update with this app, major update, where instead of one Pangu widget, now you have literally like 3 for different use cases. So let's just try to log in. And then here is you have, so how to get started. You need to enter invitation code, co-parenting code from your friend. So now you can see I was just raising this, and then you can see, and that's just kind of the idea. And this is my co-parenting code, which my friends needs to enter me. There is also username, and you just need to enter it. So you just tap raise and then raise Pangu, invite a friend, group Pangu match, and then you just need to invite friend like this. So now there is a Pangu app in here, and then yeah, this is just the idea of what you see in here. And then yeah, this is what you're getting, and yeah, so that's kind of the idea. And now you can kind of restart it, and then you can just share it. So share and get free coins. So this is the way to get free coins. If you just share it on Instagram. And then, yeah, so then you can just get over and start feeding it. You can eat some low. You can just buy some things for it, some food. You can see the distance, free rewards that you can get. A lot of stuff. They did a lot of updates in this app. You can obviously add it as a widget. You can see profile, parent, get who's the better parent, Pangu's favorite. That's kind of the idea in here. So I don't know actually. Yeah, so here are messages, and you can just start messaging. You can send photos, play games, but this is with your co-parenting friend. So that's the idea.